Ready?
Okay, wait, yeah, okay, wait, good.
1, 2, 3.
Damn it! Hey guys, it's me Ann, and this is Beauty with Me. Here with Patrick Ta, celebrity makeup artist who I've been following and loving for so long.
We are gonna be doing a look today on Mian. This look that I did on Gigi Hadid for Paris Fashion Week.
Before we get started though, please make sure you are subscribed down below and follow me on Instagram at mian.chan and follow Patrick on Instagram at no, that's my handle.
At patrickta.com, don't follow her twice.
At patrickta.com.
Oh God.
Rewind. And while you're at it, add me on Instagram at mian.chan and follow Patrick on Instagram at patrickta.
So excited that I'm gonna show you guys my foundation routine. This is Tom Ford's shade in Illuminate in 0.5. For this look, I really want it to look soft. I always like to blend it out before I apply foundation. So again, there's no harsh lines. We want everything to be seamless, as natural as possible. So I'm using La Mer's Soft Fluid Foundation. I love that golden undertone look.
So Patrick, tell me about how you got into this biz.
So I started doing makeup around 8 years ago. I started in Arizona at a Mac counter, and then I graduated to Los Angeles. I've always wanted to live in LA, but I never knew what for. So moving to LA 6 years ago, I had no clients. I didn't really know anyone, but Instagram was around. Instagram has completely changed my life. I owe a lot of my success to Gigi, but also Shay. Shay was one of my first celebrity clients in LA. I always apply foundation on with a brush first, just so everything, like all the product isn't wasted, and then I take in the beauty blender. And I learned this trick from Makeup by Ariel. Even if you feel like it's hard, you really want to push the product into the skin. The next step, I am applying a little bit of a concealer. So I like using a concealer that is like 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation color. This is gonna bring back dimension into your face. So I like to go in an upside down triangle, a little bit around the mouth and the nose, just so you get that cinch nose that we all want.
Let's talk about Gigi and your relationship with her. You've been doing her makeup for years.
I've been doing makeup for about 5 years now, and she is also another sister to me.
Does she let you do whatever you want?
Pretty much. I feel like whenever, it just depends on how big the carpet is. Sometimes I do her makeup super last minute, so we don't have too much time to think about it, but she loves just like super glowy skin, a Morphe like blender that has like a pointy side, just to give it the little extra cinched in nose. She keeps raising her eyebrows. I don't know what she's doing with the camera.
I'm engaging with them.
She's engaging.
Tell me in the comments if you like it when I raise my eyebrows at you. I think that you guys are feeling me, but you're clearly not.
Okay. This is Jour's bronzer in the color medium to light. So I like to use 2 colors together. This is like adding on top of the contour. So I'm gonna take this, I guess damping the product onto the skin. I don't want to move the foundation that we just like spent so hard to like blend and push in. I'm still gonna do a little bit of baking underneath.
I'm trying to avoid doing the eyebrow thing. Now that you told me about the eyebrow thing, I can't like unlearn it.
Oh my God, you're funny. Time for blush. So I'm gonna just finish baking wherever you want to highlight or bring out color. If you aren't being photographed, I probably say you probably don't need to do this. This is like reverse contouring. You're just baking underneath so then you can get that nice snatched look. So we're gonna leave this on for maybe 10 minutes. Because I did the foundation first, I'm gonna take a little bit of powder, basically just set underneath so I can have a nice eyeshadow shape. This is Benefit's bronzer in Hoola. I love using bronzers as eyeshadows. What made you like get into using so much color? Because I feel like on your Instagram you're always like trying new eyeshadow colors and new shapes.
I mean, honestly, I think the first look that I ever tried that was color was your look with Shay Mitchell, blue underliner, I think it was Mac Cyan, and then red lip, remember that?
Yeah.
I follow you very closely.
She follows me closely, just kidding. So now that the eyes are done, I'm actually gonna wipe off this baking. I am using Desi x Katy's Friendcation palette. I'm gonna be using shade Cheens. There, we can all breathe. The eyeliner is done. I'm using this Morphe palette, this yellow color. So whenever I do color, I always do color with a purpose. They're always like wearing a little bit of like that color somewhere on their outfit.
You do that a lot. You do a lot of like monochromatic, like matching the makeup.
I love, 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 love monochromatic makeup.
I think there's a quote from you. Someone at Refinery interviewed you like years ago about monochromatic makeup, and you said something about like you love it because it makes everything look so polished.
Did I say that?
That was me quoting you.
I love monochromatic makeup because it just makes everything look so polished.
It pulls together your outfit and your makeup.
And then, so before I finish the eyes, I want to go in and apply my highlighter. So this is a product that I am beyond excited about to show you. I have been working on this for over 2 years and have 3 shades to make application that much easier. My Major Glow setting fan. I'm actually gonna use it on Mian. So
Wait, what color are you doing on me?
I'm gonna use Look at Her because she obviously wants people to look at her. She has blue hair on. You're gonna apply this just right onto the peak of the forehead. And then for the cheekbone, you always wanna go from the bottom of your lash line, apply the product here as well. So this is gonna, again, everything's gonna fall onto your skin, like in all the right areas. There's no harsh lines and it looks major.
Major Glow.
Say it again.
Major Glow by Patrick Ta.
You
You
can-
would include a fan in your line. That's so extra and amazing.
That's so funny because this span is called She's Extra. So you wanna set your makeup. You use this because this is a tool that we didn't know that we needed. Like you're always using your hands.
It's so true though. The makeup tool you didn't know you needed. The headline writes itself.
I want to do the body glow. So again, I named them after phrases that come from a place of excitement. Introducing a dream and introducing a moment. So a moment has bronze, gold, and pink pearl in it.
It smells really good.
Like, does it smell good? And look, do you see how it just like,
Ooh.
you're just glowing? So this is Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. I'm gonna use a little bit of setting spray before I finish the rest of the face. And then this is where She's Extra gets to shine one more time. For brows now, I'm gonna be using Taupe from Tom Ford. Before I apply my lip gloss, I'm actually gonna lightly line Mian's lips with a little bit of Whirl from MAC. This is gonna give the lips just a nice little shape. I have 3 lip shines that I'm coming out with. I'm gonna use Is She Younger Than Me. You can see how like
Oh, it's so shimmery.
the pearl particles and
Ooh, it's nice.
doesn't feel sticky, and it's also moisturizing, right?
So why create this brand?
When developing my first beauty line, it was my goal to create products to empower women to feel confident in their own skin. That's why everything that I'm creating with it is very like see-through. Okay, so if she doesn't like it, it's fine. I'll just go
Cry.
be sad and cry, but.
Okay. I love this look on Gigi, so I hope I like it on me. I like it. I like this yellow. I think you were afraid that it wouldn't look good with my hair, but I like blue and yellow together. The lip gloss looks really good. I love the makeup. I'm excited to take a million selfies. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm excited to try more of Major Glow as well.
Major Glow.
Damn it!
Are you serious? Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay. Say Major Glow again.
I hope you guys love Major Glow.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you want to see next on Beauty with Me in the comments down below, and click here to subscribe to Refineration29, and click here to watch another video. Bye!